Hello, I'm Ken King with the King Law Firm, and today I would like to take a few minutes to talk to you about injury by accident. It's a term that you often hear in a workers' compensation claim here in the state of North Carolina, but it's not nearly as simple as it may sound. When we think of injury by accident, it's very easy to determine a situation where you have someone who's fallen off a roof, fallen off a ladder, they've sustained significant injuries, and no one would dispute whether or not they've had an injury by accident. Where it becomes more complicated is where you have a situation that a worker that's doing construction work, for example, is on a job that requires heavy lifting. He's working late on a Friday afternoon and is in the process of lifting a large 4x4 or 8x8 piece of wood, and in the process feels a pull or a pain in his lower back. Thinking it's just a minor injury, he continues to work throughout the day. He doesn't notify his employer. Goes home over the weekend fully expecting that he'll be ready, willing, and able to go back to work on Monday morning. Unfortunately, these type of injuries often lead to a disabling injury which prevents that injured worker from returning to work on Monday. Has he had an injury by accident? Well, under North Carolina law, he has, because he's had a specific traumatic incident, which means at the time he lifted that 6x6 or 8x8, he injured his lower back. He knew that it happened on that occasion at that particular point in time, but thought that he would be fine. The manner in which this claim is reported, the statements that are made, and the steps that are taken are critical in determining whether or not he is going to receive workers' compensation benefits. Here at the King Law Firm, we can give you the advice that you need from the beginning to make sure that you take the proper steps and that you ultimately receive the benefits that you're entitled to receive. So give us a call if you have any questions whatsoever. Thank you.